Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm with Jessie. She has some questions for me, so let's listen to them. Hi everyone, I'm Jessie. Okay, and today we have some questions. Okay, for my first question, do you like mathematics? I love mathematics. Not actually liking it, but I love it so much. Mathematics is my life. When did you start loving mathematics? I think I started loving mathematics since I was young. Okay, what made you love mathematics more than English, Swahili, geography, business, chemistry? Actually, mathematics is very simple. It doesn't have to do with a lot of philosophies, thing that can be applied even in the real life. And it can change even the livelihood, or it can make someone a better person. That's why I love math so much. Then what are the techniques that help you pass mathematics? So the first technique that I used when I was in high school is, number one, I used to master one concept a day. For example, I could take one topic, let's say vectors, and then I go into a subtopic under vectors, like addition of vectors, and then I ensure that I master that concept. I go through it, I search for relevant questions, I attempt them. If I got them correct, all of them, if I got them correct, then I was very certain that I had understood that concept. But then if I missed even one concept, what I used to do is I go back to the concept, I try to remind myself. If I didn't get it still, I will consult my fellow classmates, or even go further and consult the teachers. So after I learned that concept, I could try to train my classmates. So, and that really helped me so much, because the moment I trained whatever I learned, it stuck permanently, and I even understood it better. Another point is, on my timetable, I used to put math in the morning hours, for example, in preps. So that's when my mind was very fresh. And actually, that's when even you can learn math. You know, math is physical. And so you need a very fresh mind. And the fresh mind it's usually in the morning hours. So I could learn math in the morning, and then study other subjects. That's how I got it right, actually. So I used to be very attentive in class. So I never slept, I never dozed off. So whenever the teacher was in class writing, I could also jot down um, key notes, because that could help me when revising or preparing for exams. Another point, what I did is I used to have short formulas at the edge of the book that could help me when revising, more especially on the rush hours preparing for exams. So that really helped me, and I can say that worked for me. So we also had discussion groups whereby we discussed, and I used to volunteer to teach the ideas. I used to volunteer to teach my fellow students the ideas that I had. So in that way, I used to understand the ideas even much better, because the moment you teach what you know, you get to understand it better. Okay, what were the challenges while studying mathematics? I can't say that there were no challenges, but then also I can't say that there were so many challenges. What I can say is math actually requires more of your time, and also it requires a lot of dedication because math, as I said earlier, it's a physical subject. So you need to be more alert, and you also need more time to study it.
Okay, were there those students wenye ukiwaonyesha hesabu they were like huyu amejifanya? What was the solution to that challenge?
For you to be successful in life, or to succeed in something, you need to be very positive and try to avoid any negative energy. Yeah.
And so how did mathematics or how can mathematics help the economy of the current economy?
So mathematics actually not only it sharpens you or makes you a better person, but it also helps you in budgeting the little that you have. It also helps in saving. So by budgeting, actually, you are able to know what to spend, more especially during these hard economic times. So the moment you know what you have to spend, then you are good to go. It also helps. It helps you in saving. For you to be a very better person, you must train yourself to save. So as a mathematician, that's an added advantage. Despite saving, you also need those skills, mathematical skills, more especially in businesses. Because now, if you don't have the skills for math, how can you handle your business? You also need math in measurements. For example, if you are a farmer, you need to know the quantity to plant in what in an acre, let's say in an acre, yeah. And also it helps you do to measure other logistics.
What can you share about mathematics to fans out there?
Actually, mathematics is it's very interesting. It's very easy. It will sharpen you. It will help you have the self confidence that you need, more especially in this life. It also helps to curb the poverty in this economy because if you budget your funds well, if you save and all that, then we will be in a very better place.
And do you think if given a chance to study for PhD or this?
Actually, yeah, um, I'm really looking into going for further studies and study more math and actually invent more formulas because now there's some formulas that I will share in the next session that are not in our syllabuses, in our books. Maybe I will invent. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for your information. And that marks the end of our discussion today. And next time, I hope we provide more information about mathematics.
Thank you so much, Jesse. Thank you for your time. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Thank you and bye bye.
You can like, comment, and share. Bye.